Ashlyn with Star Camp again, and today we are going to be doing a sun experiment with our sun paper. So first you're going to need the sun solar paper in your kit. Make sure that you don't take it outside. It doesn't see the sun because that's going to mess up our experiment. So make sure you're doing this inside. You're going to have your paper, something solid or sturdy that you can put your paper on, something flat. And then you're going to need some tape to tape it down, a box already filled with a little bit of water, so when we come back inside I have a little bin down here that's got some water in it, and then some objects. So first things first, we're going to place our paper on our solid surface. Take a little bit of tape, I can find the end, so we can make sure our paper doesn't move. So I'm going to place that on both sides of the paper. Want it to stay still for our experiment. And then you're going to take some objects that make a cool shape in the sun. So I've got one of our awesome Star Camp magnets that I'm going to put on here, and a pair of scissors. These are pretty big objects, but they'll work good. You can experiment with different objects. Flat objects are usually best because the sun will cast shadows if it's not directly over top. Then when you place it on your paper, we'll take the whole thing outside and see what happens when we put this in the sun. So you want to make sure your objects stay right in the sun, on top of your paper on a flat surface for 2 to 3 minutes on a sunny day and 4 to 5 minutes on a cloudy day. You want to leave it there, don't touch your objects to look at them. We'll do that after. All right, let's take it back inside. Keep it flat. Make sure you walk through the house with it flat. And let's go see what happens when we put it in the water. Okay, now that we're back inside, we're going to take our paper off of our cardboard. Take the tape off. Try not to rip the paper as that happens, but it might happen. What we're going to do is we're going to place this in the water for a whole minute, which will wash off some of these sun chemicals so we can set the picture and it will stay like that. You submerge it all the way in the water and leave it there for a minute. Alright, so now that's been in the water for a minute, we're going to take it out, try to hold it flat, and then find a place to dry, hang it dry, so that the water can just drip off and it'll stay flat. My scissors ended up doing kind of really cool 3D shape, and my flat one ended up being cool but different. So experiment with that. Do some different shapes on here, hang it dry, send us a picture of the cool shapes that you did, and we'll see you next time.